Introducing Subaru STARLINK Connected Services Next Generation In-Vehicle Communications. Engineered to make every drive more carefree. No matter where the road takes you, Subaru STARLINK Connected Services is right by your side. When bad luck strikes, Subaru is there to help with advanced automatic collision notification. If you've been in an accident and your airbags deploy, STARLINK will automatically connect you to an agent.
Hi, I see you've been in an accident. Do you need emergency assistance?
The agent will first check to see if you're okay and then provide emergency assistance as needed. If you are unresponsive, the agent will automatically dispatch emergency services. If you find yourself in any sort of emergency, Subaru STARLINK Connected Services has your back with SOS Emergency Services. Simply press the red overhead SOS button and you'll be connected to an agent who will automatically get your GPS location and can dispatch emergency services. Subaru STARLINK Connected Services gives you the freedom to explore more, secure in the knowledge that you're better connected and better protected.